This is a nice look. We have the wheels installed, and it looks like a typical Old Man Emu suspension. It sits nice. Wheel wells are filled up properly, and it's just great. As I pan back out here, it looks really, really sharp. Granted, the lift arms are underneath it, but they're not holding the vehicle up at all at this point. So that's about how we look right there in size. Most Old Man Emu suspensions have a slight rake towards the front. This truck is really no different. There is a slight rake towards the front. They do that for loads and things in the back, but it's a classic look. So looks super sharp, and it really dresses up the truck. We have a stabilizer yet to go on, and then the stereo will go in it, and those are the last touches for this project. And also some drive time would be awful good to get done, but overall this is looking quite sharp. Again, very, very clean truck.